Hi there guys, this is Nikhil from Greedy Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how to register for Euphoria and buy it. So guys, this is the Euphoria page on Amazon.in, and just in case if you don't have access to this particular page or if you don't want to go to this page, simply enter Amazon.in/u and enter and you'll go to that page. So there we have it. So this sale is for registered people only. So firstly you need to register for the sale. So once you come to this page, you'll get the registration information and when the sale is on. So let's have a look at that. Fresh registrations are open now and the sale is on 4th June 2 p.m. So as you can see, the current date is 29th of May 2015 and the next sale is on 4th. So we can go ahead and subscribe. Just click this subscribe button now and it will take you to another page where you have to subscribe. So it seems that I have already subscribed for the sale. So just in case if you want to make sure if you have subscribed or not, simply go to account section, your account, and over here in the email from Amazon section, select the second option, that is Amazon delivers email subscriptions. Over here search for Euphoria. So guys, if you have registered for the Euphoria, you can find the entry over here that says this: Euphoria, stay updated for the big reveal on 12th May, and you have subscribed on so and so date. So once we have it, let me just show you what exactly happens on the sale date and what you need to do. So guys, on the sale date, visit amazon.in/u, make sure you have signed in, and at least 20 to 30 minutes before the sale you'll see a countdown like this, and just wait for it until it hits 0. When it hits 0, you'll get a button that says add to cart. Just click on it, and once you do that, get this message that checking deal status, and finally you will have this dialog box opened up saying that the Euphoria has been added to your cart. So now you have only around 15 minutes to check out. So guys, let me just show you what to do next. Now you need to click this button that says view cart and proceed to check out. And once you do that, you will be taken to this particular page. And now just select the delivery address. Just in case if you don't have a delivery address, enter those details and click continue, and now click continue once again, and now enter your payment details. If you are using a credit card or a debit card, enter those details and press continue, or if you want to go with a COD, simply click the cash on delivery option and hit continue. Let me just enter my details. So guys, I finished entering my details. Now as you can see, I have around 12 minutes left. So guys, now I have successfully placed the order and it will take me roughly around 1 week to get it. So anyway, just in case guys, if you are not able to get the product in first attempt, that is when you click the button add to cart, if you didn't get it, then you'll be asked to enter the waiting list. So make sure that you enter the waiting list, and if in any case anyone fails to place the order in 15 minutes, the product will be automatically placed in the cart of the people who are in waiting list. So if you're lucky enough, you might get it. So make sure that you are in the waiting list and check out the area near the cart, because you'll get a small notification, and once you see that, click on it and it will be added to your cart, and you'll again have 15 minutes to place the order. So that's it guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this.